If you want to understand AI properly, here's the mistake most people make. They jump straight to tools and skip the fundamentals. AI isn't magic, it's layers of concepts built on top of each other. Data, models, training and optimization. The fastest way to grow your base knowledge is to start with first principles like any skill. Learn what the data is, how models learn patterns, why probability matters, and where AI's limitations actually are. You don't need to code, you just need mental models. Treat AI like learning a language. You don't start by writing novels, you learn the alphabet, learn the grammar, and then the meaning. The second rule is consistency. Short, regular exposure beats occasional deep dives every time. That's exactly why I post regular content here on AI fundamentals, clear, practical explanations you can build on day by day, and each week I release a long form video on YouTube that takes a deep dive into those fundamentals step by step. If you want to understand AI, not just use it, follow along, because in the next decade, AI literacy won't be an optional skill, it'll be a baseline skill.